Okay, now let's move on to the brain. It is important to understand how our brain functions so we are able to increase our self compassion and empathy towards others, especially to our children. On this slide, you will see that we have provided a visual of the brain using our hands. And this can be a great visual that you can show to your kids to help them understand how their brain works. So let's review this. Let's start with an open hand. Let's imagine that our wrist represents the brainstem, which is at the base of our brains. The brainstem is responsible for basic things, such as breathing and keeping your heart pumping, and any other bodily function. Now, move your thumb and let it sit in the middle of your hand. Your thumb represents the amygdala of your brain, which is responsible for sensing any danger and letting the brain and the body know. Now, allow your four fingers to sit over your thumb. Your fingers represent the prefrontal cortex, which is part of the brain that helps us manage emotions and make clear and complex decisions. So, anytime you are calm and relaxed, your prefrontal cortex is basically in charge. However, anytime fear, danger, or any other intense emotion overwhelms your amygdala, your prefrontal cortex goes offline and we flip our lid. And because the prefrontal cortex helps manage your emotions, when it has flipped, it becomes difficult to make clear and logical decisions when we are upset. Therefore, anytime you see your child become upset, their prefrontal cortex is flipped. So now that you have a visual representation of the brain, we will provide a video to show you an additional visual on what happens when we flip our lid.